Hi everyone, this is Neha Naik, an ex-student of Vissicomp classes. I was under the guidance of Om sir, and it's almost been 5 years since I've done the course, and I've never realized that the link between me and Om sir has anywhere broken, because till now any doubts or anything I ask him about digital marketing, he's always there spontaneously to help me at any point of time.
Training from Om sir, he was awesome, and he has helped me through everything and helped my business to grow up well. I learned a lot and I achieved new heights in my business just because of Om sir. I thanks Om sir for all his training. I thanks him very much. Thank you so much, Om sir. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Vidula Anmol. I'm a freelance yoga teacher. When I decided to do a digital marketing to promote my skills in the market, I did a lot of market research and finally landed with the Vissicomp, which turned out to be the best decision. Vissicomp gave me the flexibility of timing, and the best thing what Vissicomp gave me is a Om sir as a faculty, as a tutor. Om sir is the best tutor I have come across till now.